How's your credit today?
Oh, my credit's good, great. I had 15 negative items, and in the first trial, 30 days, you got 11 of them off, and I think it's about the greatest credit repair there is.
And Eric, I'm here to tell you that I've had over 15 deletions on my credit report. I had Bank of America deleted, Barclays, Bank of Delaware deleted, 2 MB Financials, Syncare Credit, 2 Syncare Credit accounts. I can go on and on and on. So when I got the correspondence in the mail, it just said deleted, deleted, deleted. And I'm so thankful and I'm excited.
And these are real testimonies of identity theft victims. So if you are the victim of identity theft, I'm offering the Credit Repair Toolkit right now for a limited time, and you can check down in the description to get your copy so you too can have great credit once again. That's going to do it for this video. Remember to like and share, and I'll catch you in the next video.